Hello students, welcome back to our math class. So again today you are going to learn more about the multiplication in your observation book part 1. Okay, in the previous section you learned more about the multiplication for knowledge part and competitive skill part. So today in this class you are going to learn application sum. So word problem multiplication sum. Okay children, come let's see the first question. Shamu can write 89 words in one day. Here Shamu can write 89 words in one day. How many words can we write in 7 days? Here he write one day 89 words. Okay, one day he write 89 words. So here you want to find the 7 days. 7 days. How many words she can write? So multiple 89 multiple with 7. Okay, so 7 days. So 89 multiple with 7. So in this sum, you are going to use 7 table. 7 9s are in the rough column side. You write the table. 7 9s are 63. Okay, children, then 7 8s are 56. So first write the table in the rough column side. Okay, now let's start the sum. 89 multiple with 7. 7 9s are 63. So 3 balance 6 carry over to next number. Then 7 8s are 56. Already you have 6. So 56 plus 6. So 12 minus 1. 62. Okay. So 62. So totally 7 days you write 623 words. 623 words. Okay children. So first one day you write 89 words. So you want to find out the 7 days. So 89 multiple with 7. The final answer you get 623. Okay. So totally 623 words. Let's see the next question. Okay. Now let's see the second question. There are 43 books in a shop. And each one of book has 96 pages. Find the total number of pages. Okay, at the shop there are 43 books and each one of the book has 96 pages. You want to find out the total number of the pages. So total number of the pages, first total number of the book is 43 and each one has pages 96 pages. So total number of the pages means you want to multiple 43 multiple with 96. So book, total number of book multiple with each book. Each one of the book has a pages. So each one of the book pages is 96. So 43 multiple with 96. Okay, in this sum you are going to use 6 table and 9 table. So first step, write the tables in the rough column side. Okay, now 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, then 9 table, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So first write the table in the rough column side, then 6 3s are 18, balance 1, then 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, then tens place number. We'll start to doing multiplication is tens place number. First write 0. Then 9 3s are 27. So 7 balance 2 carry over here. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 38. Okay. Finally add all the number. 8 plus 0 8. 5 plus 7 12. So 2 balance 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, so 1, balance 1, 1 plus 3, 4. So finally the total number of pages 4128 pages. Okay, just total 43 books, total pages 4128 pages. Okay children, now let's see the next question. In the same method, question number 22. There are 247 children and each children has 6 oranges. Then how many oranges are there in totally? So the number of the children is 247 and each one has 6 oranges. Each one has 6 oranges. You want to find out the total amount of the orange. So total number of the oranges. Total number of oranges. So the number of children is 247. Each one child has a 6 oranges. So you want to find out the total number of oranges. So 247 multiple with 6. So in this sum you are going to use 6 table. So first step, write the tables in the rough column side. Now I am writing here 6 sevens are 42, then 6 fours are 24, 6 twos are 12. So it's a first step. Then 247 multiple with 6. Okay. 6 sevens are 42. So 2 balance 4 and 6 fours are 24. Already you have 4. 24 plus 4 28. So 8 and balance 2. Then 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2 14. This all. So the total number of oranges is 1482. Okay children. Okay, now let's see the next question. Now let's see the next one. A train can carry 123 children. How many children can travel in 4 such a train? Okay, so one train can carry the children's number is 123. So the same 4 train. So how many children travel in the 4 train? Okay, first one train can carry 123 children. So the 4 train can travel. This children, how many children won't travel mean 123 multiple with 4. Okay. So first 123 multiple with 4. In the sum you are going to use a 4 table. So 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Okay. So 123 multiple with 4. 4 3s are 12, balance 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 and 4 1s are 4. So totally in the 4th train, 492 children can travel. Okay, so the 4th train, 492 children can travel. Okay children, so that's all today's class. I hope you understood this sums. Thank you children. Thank you for listening.